Every successful business, big or small, runs on one powerful engine, a strong marketing strategy. Without it, even the best products struggle to find customers. But here's the good news. You don't need $1 million budget or a marketing degree to create one. What you need is clarity, direction, and consistency. In this video, we'll go step by step through how you can build a winning marketing strategy that brings real results. Step number 1, define your target audience. Every great marketing strategy starts with knowing exactly who you're talking to. Don't try to sell to everyone. Focus on your ideal customer. Begin by creating a customer persona that includes age, income, location, interests, and buying habits. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, your audience could be people aged 20 to 40 who value health and convenience. Use tools like Google Analytics, Meta Insights, and customer surveys to learn what your audience really wants. Identify their pain points, what frustrates them, what they're searching for, and how your product solves those issues. The clearer your understanding of your audience, the more personalized and effective your marketing campaigns become. Remember, marketing isn't about shouting louder. It's about speaking directly to the right people in the right way. Step number 2, set clear marketing goals. Without clear goals, your marketing strategy is just guesswork. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want more followers, say, I want to increase my Instagram followers by 25% in the next 3 months. Break goals into categories: awareness goals, engagement goals, social media interactions, and conversion goals, sales or leads. Use data from previous campaigns to set realistic benchmarks. Once goals are in place, assign metrics like website visits, click-through rates, or lead cost per conversion. Use dashboards like Google Data Studio or HubSpot to track performance. Goals keep your team focused and motivated, ensuring every dollar and hour spent drives measurable growth. When your marketing goals are crystal clear, decision-making becomes easier, faster, and more effective. Step number 3, choose the right marketing channels. In 2026, customers live across multiple platforms: social media, email, search engines, and even podcasts. Your job is to figure out where your audience spends most of their time. If your audience is Gen Z, focus on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. For B2B audiences, LinkedIn and email marketing work better. Don't spread your budget too thin. Pick 2 or 3 key platforms and master them first. Build an omni-channel strategy where your message stays consistent across all touchpoints. For example, a customer who sees your Facebook ad should get a similar vibe when they visit your website or receive an email. Use SEO, PPC ads, influencer partnerships, and content marketing together for better visibility. The right mix of channels can multiply your brand reach and create a strong connection between you and your customers. Step number 4, craft a powerful brand message. Your brand message tells the world who you are, what you stand for, and why customers should choose you. It's not just a slogan, it's the emotional bond between your business and your audience. Start by identifying your unique value proposition, what makes your product or service better or different. Keep your message short, clear, and benefit-driven. For example, instead of saying, we sell shoes, say, we help runners go faster with lighter, durable footwear. Every piece of content you create, from your social media posts to your packaging, should reflect your core message. Use storytelling to make your brand memorable. People remember emotions more than facts, so make them feel something when they hear your brand name. A consistent and relatable brand message builds trust, and trust turns leads into lifelong customers. Step number 5, create engaging content strategy. Content is the heart of your marketing strategy. It's how people discover, trust, and buy from you. In future, attention spans are short, so your content must be quick, valuable, and visually appealing. Focus on 3 key formats: educational, entertaining, and emotional content. Educational posts build authority, entertaining ones grab attention, and emotional ones drive connection. Plan your content using a monthly calendar and balance between blog posts, videos, infographics, reels, and newsletters. Use tools like Canva, Notion, or Buffer to stay consistent. Add storytelling in every piece. Don't just promote products, share real stories, behind-the-scenes clips, and customer success moments. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of content should add value, and only 20% should sell. The goal is to keep your audience coming back because they enjoy your brand, not just your products. Experiment with AI-driven storytelling tools that personalize content for each user based on their preferences. Use short, looping videos and interactive polls to boost engagement. In future, micro-content dominates, so make every post snackable, emotional, and data-backed. Think of your content as a living conversation, not a one-time broadcast. Step number 6, analyze and optimize performance. Marketing isn't about guessing, it's about testing, learning, and improving. Track every campaign using analytics tools like Google Analytics, Meta Ads Manager, or SEMrush. Study which channels bring the most traffic, which ads get the best clicks, and what content converts visitors into buyers. Set weekly or monthly review sessions to identify what's working and what's not. For example, if your video ads perform better than image ads, shift more budget toward video. Experiment with A/B testing. Try 2 versions of the same ad to see which headline, image, or call to action performs better. Optimization is a continuous process. Keep updating keywords, refreshing visuals, and improving landing pages. The brands that survive long-term are not the ones that spend the most, but the ones that analyze data smartly and adapt quickly to customer behavior. Don't just track numbers, track emotions. Use heat maps, sentiment analysis, and behavior flow tools to understand why users act a certain way. Predictive analytics can now forecast campaign success before launch. Constant micro adjustments based on live data can increase ROI by up to 40% in real-world campaigns. And step number 7, build long-term customer relationships. The final step is about turning one-time buyers into loyal fans. Customer retention costs less than new customer acquisition, and loyal customers bring in referrals, reviews, and repeat sales. Stay connected with your audience through email, newsletters, WhatsApp updates, and personalized offers. Use CRM tools like HubSpot or Zoho to track customer preferences and send relevant messages. Offer loyalty programs, early access sales, or birthday discounts to make customers feel valued. Always reply to comments, feedback, and complaints politely and fast. A simple thank you message after purchase can go a long way. Encourage happy customers to share testimonials or photos using your products. Remember, marketing doesn't end with a sale, it starts there. Build trust, maintain consistency, and focus on relationships, not just transactions. That's how you develop a truly winning marketing strategy that grows year after year. In future, personalization is everything. Send voice notes, video messages, or handwritten digital thank you cards. Create private customer communities for exclusive discussions and feedback. Surprise your top buyers with limited edition gifts or early feature access. Emotional connection is your strongest marketing currency. Use it to turn customers into advocates. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.